Guys, we're gonna play Avatar World. I'm uploading the part 2 now, and this is part 3. Sorry for... Okay, my house is done. I'm going to TikTok right now. I need my tablet. We're gonna TikTok with Sissy. Oh my god. Sissy. What? I'm awake. Let's TikTok, okay? Go hold my iPad. Let's go. Let's ask mom. We're gonna go to the supermarket today. We're gonna buy some stuff. Okay. Put the iPad here. Do you saw that, guys? The iPad is like this. Nakatalikod siya. Let's TikTok now. We're gonna TikTok is tell your BF. I'm going to show you some hacks. Let's get the barrier. I'm going to get hacks later. Guys, sorry for my ugly speed. My video is ugly. Because I'm in the Philippines and I speak Tagalog, but you say I speak English. Let's go dance now. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Let's go dance. We're gonna wanna live a life, boyfriend. I've been doing and thinking of you. If your school, what grade are you, guys? Mine is, I'm going to grade 2. Stop. It's so good. Let's just put let's put this right here. Mom, why, hon? Can we can we buy some stuff? What stuff, honey? Furniture for my room and your room because we have no stuff. Okay. Just go take a bath. Okay, Mom. 10:30. Let's go. Forget Sissy. Go change to your outfits. And you go change. Wait a minute, guys. We're going to change. I don't know. We're going to change to change to this. This is sexy though. I'm going to wear this later. Go wear a jacket. No, this jacket. And you go wear something cute. Yes, that. Where's your shoes? I have no shoes. This. Let's go. Go change your hair. Okay, Mom. Just wait a minute. Sorry for that. And this is the new hairstyle. Guys, you like it? We're gonna not change Danny's. Wait a minute. I'm going to change. Guys, I'm sorry. I'm so laggy. God, it's so dark here. Going to wear this. Sorry for that again. That's so noisy. I might just go. It's okay now, guys. And let's go. Come, let's go. What about the baby? Yes. Let's begin the part 4. I'm going to eat, guys. Bye.